The job site can become pretty much heated in a short amount of time. We often use big and bulky job site fans to handle this situation, but moving them around the site and setting them up everywhere becomes a hassle on itself. So, in search of a perfect solution, we came across the Korbot portable fan. This 3-in-1 fan had the mobility, LED illumination, and promised to be a convenient way to give us cooling relief on our job site. So, we decided to give it a try. Now, let's share our experience with you guys. Let's get started. Opening the box, here we have the fan itself. We will come to this in a while. There is a user manual with some instructions and operating guidelines, a USB-C charging cable, and a remote. The cable seems to be a bit shorter than usual, which might become a hassle while charging. Now, let's unwrap the fan. As you can see, it's got a small profile, but the weight is comparatively heavy. There is an LED light in front. This fan will impress you on multiple fronts, particularly with its size and build quality. As you can see, the blade diameter and the overall fan size are balanced with its compact form factor. It's got a regular look, and we found its build quality satisfying. As we have mentioned before, the weight isn't that light either. Having a big battery might be the reason. Underneath the fan, you'll get a hanging hook that is folded down here. Just pull it out, and it will help you while carrying or hanging. These rubber grips on the base are given for stability. Controlling the fan with the remote seems easy. It has all the same buttons present on the fan itself, which is good as we can easily control the fan or change its modes from a distance. The first button is a light button that allows you to control the onboard LED and adjust its 3 modes: low, medium, and high. The second button sets the timing, so you can find the timing indicator light in the bottom right corner. It enables you to preset the running duration of your fan. Then, the button with a fan logo let us control the fan's speed, so we could easily shift between 4 modes. Usually, fans only offer 3 speed modes, but it has 4, so this was a nice feature. There are 4 indicator lights in the top right corner that let you know which speed mode it is on. Additionally, there is an oscillating button that enables us to set the fan's angle and allows for pivoting. According to Korbot, it can be adjusted between 45 and 90 degrees, while the fan can be pivoted up to 270 degrees. Although we didn't measure it precisely, this feature proved quite convenient. Lastly, we have the sleep mode button. On the left side, you'll find indicator lights, 2 for the oscillating angle and 4 showing the remaining battery life. Coming to the remote, you can see it has all the same buttons as the fan, and its functionalities are also the same. The built quality of the remote was lightweight, but could be a bit more durable. If you handled it carefully, it could last a long time. It proved to be helpful when we were engaged in specific tasks, as it allowed us to control the fan from a considerable distance. We must say, the remote buttons were easy to press, and the operation was responsive. Korbot recommends the remote will not work properly if you're around 30 feet away from the fan. We had a good experience with this fan and some of its features, which we mentioned earlier, like the impressive wind speed settings. You'll get 4 modes to customize the airflow to your preference. Depending on the wind speed you choose, the fan provides much-needed cooling relief. We often use the fan on medium mode and must say the power delivery of its brushless motor was good. There was no annoying rattling noise. It comes with a timer function for people who forget to turn off the fan after some time. You can set up preset hours, telling the fan exactly when to turn off to conserve battery life. Although our job site was already noisy, the fan's sound was barely noticeable. And one thing you'll love about this Korbot fan is its sleep mode. If you activate the sleep mode, all the fan's lights will turn off, and the motor will deliver a whisper-quiet operation to enjoy a restful sleep without any disturbances. However, we have only used it for our job site and workspace, but we appreciate that they included this feature. Korbot claims the fan's built-in 20,000 milliampere hour battery can keep it running for about 15 to 60 hours. It totally depends on the mode you often use. We didn't use it for 60 hours straight, but we used it on our job site, which spans around 3 to 4 hours each, and didn't find the fan battery dead. We found it interesting that it comes with a Type-C port for charging and a USB port. Having a Type-C port on a rechargeable fan is good to see. And the USB port can be used to charge your smartphone or other small devices. While we don't recommend doing this often, it can be a convenient solution if you're not near an outlet. Here, we plugged it in our smartphone, and it started charging without any interruptions. In some situations, we had to hang the fan by its foldable hook. It was tough and strong, so we never had to worry about it falling or breaking down. It felt safe, easy, and was a convenient way to place the fan according to our needs. So, after using it for some days, we can say the fan performed up to our expectations. It was fairly quiet, and there were no interruptions between usage. It comes with a large battery capacity, has an LED light to provide brightness. And considering you can also charge your smartphone from the fan battery, the decision becomes easy. So, if you are frustrated with the hassle of moving around bulky fans on your job site and are searching for a portable cooling solution, we recommend you go with the Korbot portable fan.